Hi traders, just want to give an update to the euro dollar today. Now just be aware over the next 24 hours it's going to be highly volatile. We do have more US news on the midnight, moving into Thursday ISM services PMI data, but after that 4 in the morning we have the FOMC statement, federal fund rate and the press conference from the US, expecting 25 basis point rise there, and then into the evening on Thursday we have the Eurozone interest rate decision, monetary policy statement and press conference. That's at 10:15 p.m. and then 10:45 p.m. So over the next 24 hours or so, it's going to be highly volatile, so make sure you're managing your positions effectively, especially on the euro to US dollar. With that in mind, let's get into the charts. Alright, first of all, let's just have a broad look at where the euro dollar is. On the weekly chart here, this is actually the high to low of last year's trading range. And over the last now, including this week, last 4 weeks, we tested and failed at the 79% level and this weekly high at 110.33. So 79 levels at 110.75, the weekly high here is at 110.33. And 1, 2, 3, this is the 4th week where we've been trading at 110.33 or fractionally above, but we can't clearly move above and beyond. Now, whether or not that's the line in the sand for the market, and the market wants to put a long-term top in place there, over the next couple of trading days, we may well find out the result of that. But at the moment, we are being held at the 110.33 level to the upside. Let's just drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the day chart, so to the upside, as I was saying, 110.33 is capping the market, and support is at 109.73. We actually traded below that yesterday, but couldn't hold below and just closed just below 110 by the end of the day. So two reference levels, support is at 109.73 and resistance is at 110.33. Any volatility on the news could see price get spiked up to retest 110.75 later in the day. So those are the levels to watch through the day. Now at the moment we're heading back towards 110.33. That could be a level to watch for a move back down intraday as we get into the London session. So why don't we just drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 15-minute chart, drawing a fib in from Monday's high down to Tuesday's low. Now you can see we just traded a couple of pips above the 110.33 weekly resistance level before dropping quite heavily. I've just drawn in an imbalance there that needs to be filled potentially, and we traded below 109.73 to Tuesday's low, and then we came back above that level. Now we've rallied early Asia up to the 79% level. We could be failing there, but what I'm going to be doing is waiting for the London session to start to see whether or not we can get driven back up to the 110.33 level, and then just price hold and fail there for a move back down the range. Can it fail once more up there or close to that area to move back down, back below 110, and can it move back down to re-challenge 109.73 daily support? Of course, we've got the FOMC statements coming out early morning. It's going to be highly volatile, so a trader needs to decide as to whether they want to be in the market or not come that time. But at the early part of London, I'm going to be watching to see if we can get driven up to 110.33. Can we further hold and fail for a move back down intraday to retest 109.73 daily support? And finally traders, if you have the time, join me at tonight's webinar. You can register by using the link in the description below.